All right, TJ rebuilds.
He's got longer studs on him.
Need to. We got all the.
I serious. I never had no car with this much shit.
So you traded the Focus for this?
No.
No?
Orange Harley.
Really?
Yeah. On my dad's. Remember? Well, it used to be mine.
Yeah.
I was sitting here. Or I traded that Harley and my Beetle. One of that Beetle back there.
Jesus. How much was the Harley worth?
Had 102,000 miles on it. I paid $6,800 for it.
It was like
when I bought it.
$20,000 worth of parts in this thing alone.
Yeah.
Not including the price of the car.
Oh, great, isn't it?
Yeah.
I would have traded the Focus, but the bank wouldn't do the deal because they wouldn't win that much on this 01.
Yeah.
So basically, I just I basically, they gave me more money on that truck to pay the Harley off to release the title. So I released the title of the Harley. I got the title of this. It's free and clear. I have a loan on it.
Nice.
See these new tires? Yeah, they're gonna be bald.
We're gonna be bald by the end of the day. Well, there goes the other one.
They're Z-rated tires.
I really hope you could see that on the camera. That's fine.
Not the Corvette wheels though. 3-way adjustable shocks on the back. Whatever that means.
Let me see if I can get the camera up in here and see some of these go fast parts. This thing is just built for power. 3-inch exhaust all the way back from the headers. There we go. And we're live. Ow. It's 3 pumps in that hold, right?
Yeah, you do 3 to 5.
Seems kind of odd, but okay.
Whatever's your flavor.
Alright.
You holding?
I haven't even started yet.
That's good.
Is it? You ready?
Yeah.
Alright. Holding.
We go to the floor?
There's a little break now.
All right, hang on. Don't let up.
I already did.
Well, you
weren't specific.
don't let up till I tell you.
Okay, sorry.
All right, pump again.
Holding.
All right,
Off.
pump.
Holding. I'd like to point out there's already a little bit of pedal.
I ain't getting none to the rear.
None?
No,
Is it because that line lock?
I don't know. Hang on, I gotta see if I can't. I don't know how that works. I've never dealt with it before.
Never seen one IRL.
Nothing yet. Give me a couple more pumps and then hold.
Holding.
I'm still getting air. We'll keep holding. All right, pump it up.
Holding.
I got some more air. All right, pump.
Holding.
Just now starting to get fluid.
Six.
Pump it up.
Holding.
Pump it up.
Holding.
All right, pump.
Holding.
All right, one more time.
Holding.
Okay. Now you go on the other side. So I think this guy going like here, and that connect to this. I gotta take that return out and plug that hole out of that T. So gotta get some tools. What got going on here? Yeah, that's already there, so I can hook up to that. And then she figure out how to hook this up to there. Don't know what I'm doing. I never hooked up these AN fittings before. It's fancy new people stuff. I think. Yeah. You just don't see it. So I have to read the instructions. Bees. Alright, what does it include here? Why do I do what I do? Yeah. Alright, shut up, I'm recording.
Damn it. Nope, can't do it.
What? You fucking do it.
Ah, it's so nerve-wracking. Alright, T&J Rebuilds here, back to work on the Camaro. Fuck. T&J Rebuilds here, back to work on the 2000. Shut the fuck up! I was doing it. I was doing it.
Whoa. You think this is on air?
Yeah, I just need a sign right here, on air.
You want me to go away again?
Yeah, please.
When do I know to come out?
Whenever I goddamn tell ya.
Alright.
Alright, T&J Rebuilds.